1, 2. Okay, we're ready to start the show. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Very exciting day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's Star Guest Day today. We've got lots of surprises on the show today. A star guest, lots of big news to cover. Of course, NVIDIA tomorrow, huge day. A lot going on today. You are in the right place. We have world exclusives. We do have a star guest coming up later in our next live stream. It is members only. We're always bringing our guests, our members, better and better services and more perks and benefits to our show. And you don't want to miss this one. Exactly as predicted. Oh, we got a new member.
Champjarchi17 has become a member.
Got a new member this morning, and many of you may have missed this. I certainly hope not. I did my very best to bring you this information, let you know on all our socials that this was going to happen, and it did. What am I talking about? Mobix Labs, up 14% today, 13.73. Am I surprised? Absolutely not. We predicted it. We said it would happen, and there it is. It's a big day today. Mobix Labs live on the show. The CEO, Fabio Battaglia, is live on my show this afternoon, or this morning, in fact, in a couple of hours. And I said that this stock would move like this, and it has. I hope you're all in and excited about today's event. I also want to thank Mike. Mike, you know who you are. You know what you've done. Of course, you know who you are, but you know what you've done. You become the first of my first viewers on Blue Sky. As you know, I am on X and Blue Sky. Many people, a million subscribers a day are joining Blue Sky in protest to Elon Musk on X. So I decided to have an account in both spaces so I can learn from both sides of every argument. It's very, very important that. And yesterday I announced that I'm also on Blue Sky. So Mike has become one of my very first followers, who will be in my first 10 followers. We're just starting out. So here is my X account. If you want to join me on X, I'll share with you. This is how X started. Mike was one of the first, and we're now at 2,500 followers, 2,496. There we are. And on Blue Sky, which we launched a couple of days ago, there it is. We're just starting out. We're at 4. Mike was my first Lucasade to join me. So let me give everyone the links here. So if you want a different opinion to everything, there it is. There is Blue Sky. It's the alternative to X because of Donald Trump links with Elon Musk. There are people going, I want something different. So this was set up by Jack Dorsey, of all people, the original CEO of Twitter. It's hilarious, really. Elon Musk overpaid for Twitter, and then Jack Dorsey set up an exact same platform called Blue Sky, which is just like Twitter. It's quite incredible, really. So Elon Musk paid for it, and now we can do it all over again. It's kind of, you got to laugh, right? Anyway, there you go. Now then, let me see who's here. Looking forward to the Mobix interview. Good luck to all. Kevin B. Yes, Kevin, it is a members-only event, though. I notice you're not a member of this of the family, and it is a members-only event coming up. As I've explained many times, I want everyone to be aware of it. Is because I'm trying to provide the best service and also and also show to you that this is not a pump and dump affair. This will be live trading, but I am not buying the stock. Okay, I only own the S&P. There is the event, the Mobix Labs. The CEO, Fabio Battaglia, will be live on the show, and we've got a world exclusive. Very exciting. Lots of great news around the company at the moment. As you can see, there is the event. It goes live at 11:15 a.m., which is in 3 hours or so, 3 hours 45 minutes from now, whatever time zone. Just click on it. I'll give you the link for it once again. There it is. And let me give it to you now in the chat. Oh, I see it's already pinned to the top anyway, but there you go. There you go. There is the Mobix Labs ready to rock and roll. And that's all happening very, very shortly. And members will be able to ask questions directly to the CEO. Unscripted. It's very different than other media outlets do it. We do it completely unscripted. And we do it. He has no idea what I'm going to ask him. And that's the way we do things. So it'll be very, very exciting. Okay. Lots to go down, but lots of potential. Always keeps an eye on the floats up for down dramatically on the low, says Kevin B. All right. Got to get ready for work. Godspeed, San Diego, says Kevin B. You as well, Mike. Always good to see the regulars around. Much appreciate what you do. Thank you, Kevin. Okay, good morning, all. Hi, Mike. Meet the CEO today. Yes, indeed it is. Special guest, Lawrence Teo. Good morning. Hi, everyone. Hi, Andrew. Go, 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 go. That's Mike's trademark, by the way. And he always gets a yes, yes, yes from me on X, now Blue Sky as well. Fantastic. Hi, Lawrence. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, you scurvy lads. Songs for space. Cool, Kevin. My son got to meet a pitching lesson from Jack Morris. He was pretty excited about that. Good kid, fantastic. I don't know, but I don't know who Jack Morris is. Should I know who Jack Morris is? Is he some really famous baseball player? I don't know. Anyway, hi Mike. Champ Jace 17 just became a member. Okay, are you here on the show, Champ Jace? If you are, I will give you all your perks and benefits. Let me see if you are Cham or not. No, you're not a member here, so you're obviously watching a video or something like that. Not in the live show at the moment. Ed Nevius, good morning, our scalp expert. How are you this morning? Good morning, everyone. Octavio is here. Hi, guys, the Hustle Brothers. Hello, Hustle Brothers. Lovely to have you here. Good morning, Christopher Shaw. Good morning, Martin. Lovely to see you here as well. Good morning to you. Faris, hey, Martin, I saw a clip on X of you saying something racist. I don't know if that was AI or someone playing a prank on you. Faris Junaid, I've no idea. I'm absolutely never made any racist comment. I'm not a racist and not no idea what that is. I have no idea what you're talking about. You, if you will remember, you could send it in via Discord, the clip. I could have a look at it, and I could deal with it. But unfortunately, I can't deal with it unless you become a member and send a link into Discord. So I have no idea what you're talking about. Anyway, there you go. A clip on X. Let me have a look, see if I can find it. I haven't got time to do with this, really. No, I don't see anything at all under anything like that. No. What have we got here? No, I don't see anything. I don't know what you mean. No, there's some fake accounts on here. Yep. Sorry, I have no idea what you mean. All right. And anyway, send me the link, become a member, and I will gladly take a look at it. Always face everything head on. That's part of life. Someone said, yeah, Christopher, I do remember that. Yeah. Yes, I know, Christopher. What, they've now made a meme out of it, have they? They've made a video out of it and taken it out of context and all the rest of it. Yeah. Well, okay, whatever. Let people do what people do. Okay. It's all part of the trolling, I guess. Yeah, if you find any information like that, please let me know. If all my Lucas aides could keep a lookout for it, please, and send me information, that would be great. Let's read these extra comments that just come in. I think I might have missed something. Mobix timings and Eastern time. Now, what you do, let me explain this. The best way to do this is this. If you look on the homepage of the channel, and you scroll down and you see upcoming live streams. It's not here, it's further down because it's a members only upcoming live stream. There is the upcoming live stream. You simply click on it and it will tell you in your time zone. So you don't have to worry about what time it is. It'll always tell you in your time zone. So you simply click on it and it will go to your time zone and tell you when it is in your time zone. All right. So that's how you know. Good morning, Seth Houston. Yeah, if people are hating, it means you're doing something right. Well, we don't really want that, of course, but yeah, I mean, as we grow, we've made a prediction yesterday. Many of you didn't see the video. Actually, I put a special video out. I put so many videos out yesterday. There's a thing about competing with yourself. If you put so many videos out, remember YouTube only notify the subscribers of 3 videos or events a day. Well, I've got 2 live shows, sometimes 3 with maybe 4 or 5 with earnings, plus videos. So I might have 20 with shorts as well. I could have 20, even more than 20 posts a day, just like other news outlets. But so they don't notify you of every video, unlike, Graham Stepan, who does 3 videos a week. So I'm live all the time covering news. So you don't get notified about every video. And that's right. Could you imagine you get 20 a day? It'd be crazy, right? So I get notified because I'm doing them, but you don't have to. So what you do is you go on to here. In fact, I need to make this a video to explain this. I need to make this. Yes, thank you, Patrick. Yes, Christopher, you're right. If people are hating me, you're doing something right. Right, let me cover a couple of things here. So, Mobix Labs first of all. Mobix Labs. So let's do this first. MOBX. Members. And the time is 12:46. 12:46. Whoops. 12 minutes. Okay, here we go. Let's bring this over here. Mobix. There. Mobix Labs. Okay. Mobix. Got it all. Ready to rock and roll. World exclusive today, live on the show. Star guest, CEO Fabio Battaglia of Mobix Labs will be joining me live on the show, unedited, unscripted, a special live event for our members only, then available for the general public later on. But the live event will be a members only event and it will be an exclusive. And as predicted, I said we'd wake up in the morning of the day of the interview and the stock would pop when we were up 13+% a few seconds ago. No surprise. Why? Because it's a world exclusive, breaking news, got some really great stuff to share with you. And as Fabio will tell you later on, it's, I beg your pardon, I got that completely wrong. What did I just do there? I completely messed up that there. I'm going to just do that again. Why did I say Fabio? Where did that come from? That's annoying. That's annoying. That's live TV. Gonna do that again. I can't believe I did that. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's do that again. There you go. Breaking news, live TV happens, right? World exclusive here today on Martyn Lucas Investor. I've got the CEO of Mobix live on the show. Fabrizio Battaglia will be live on our show today. Mobix, ticker symbol MOBX, with some breaking news, world exclusive. It's a members only live broadcast, so all my members can ask questions. Unedited, unscripted, and as he will confirm with you today, it's unedited. He has no idea what I'm going to ask him. I've been doing some research about the company, and later on this morning, you will get to ask your questions directly to him. Is this something that should be of interest to you? With tensions going on in the world, there's military connections, but much more than that. And there are a few surprises. There's a Elon Musk connection as well, and you'll get to see all about that. What does Elon Musk have to do with Mobix Labs? Well, there is one very strong correlation, and I'll explain it all during the live event. I said today that the stock would pop up in the morning, and it did. It was up over 13% a few seconds ago. In this interview, we're going to go deep dive, and we're going to talk about the company. What is the company? What's its position? Are they happy with the stock price at the moment? Financials. We'll talk about the money. Is this a great company? It's a very small company. Look, 9.4 million in assets. But we are going to get very excited about this today because there are some correlations and connections with Elon Musk. What could I possibly be talking about? Well, you'll find out today. This is the event. If you click above my head down below in the description, you'll find this link. I'm going to give everybody the link now who is joining me in the live show as well. It's pinned to the top, so go and click on that. This is the event. It'll tell you in your time zone. It is members only. Only members will be able to view the live event. We're going to take a deep dive at the company. 5G, future of connectivity, starts here. Now, it's not just military contracts. It's not just involved in defense. There are many other things, AI, and as I mentioned before, there's a connection here with Elon Musk, and you'll find more out about that later on today. So if you want further information and updated news like this, make sure that you check out our Black Friday deals as well on Seeking Alpha. We're bringing you a Black Friday deal, free trials, discounts, and all the rest of it to take advantage of all of that. But here's Mobix, here's the information. We'll be diving deep into this later on. So join us for a very special live event. Members only. It will be available to the general public the next day, but you do want to be here as the CEO speaks right in the middle of a trading session. It'll be a very, very interesting and exciting interview. I'm looking forward to it. So I'll give you all the links above my head, down below in the description. Join me and to find out what are the connections with Elon Musk. Over here, you'll find the interview itself at the event, and down here, I shall put, we've got a big event tomorrow, the biggest event of the year. We've got the NVIDIA earnings, expecting 40,000 to join us live for that. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Okay. Let me read all these comments. Hi, Vanessa. Good morning, Fight. Good morning, Patrick. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Lucas Aids. Hello. James, it's time for a refreshing cup of tea. It is the drink of peace. Absolutely right. Putin threatened nuclear winter this morning. Yes, I've been reading about that this morning. Hi, Daniel. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, S&P 500 down another 0.74. Are we worried? Absolutely not. For me, it's down 1.28. I'll be turning on the money printer in a minute. What do I mean by that? I'll be buying more, but it's not low enough yet. Let's go back and look. No, it's not. I'm down 4% in the week, but really it's only 2.3 because remember, margin exaggerates the ups and the downs. Over the month, I'm down now 0.71. Again, exaggerating because of margin. Let me look at VU and let's see. We're down today nearly 1%, 2.5% on the week, but no. It's not worth me jumping in yet to buy more. Not yet. Not at current levels, because I want 8,000 out of this on the 1st of January for margin, for the Roth. So I'm not looking at doing that, but it's, of course, a concern. So let's talk about a couple of things here. Right. Here we go. First of all, news. Let me bring this up here. So we've got 20 minutes in. How to get your breaking news minute by minute, the most important news on your favorite stocks, from NVIDIA to Tesla to breaking new technologies to live interviews with CEOs. Today we've got a great interview. You can't miss that. Many, many things I bring you. Now, I want to explain, because you may be missing out on many of these things. It's very, very important. Because I regard myself as a live channel and I bring breaking news, I can produce sometimes over 30 videos a day if you include the videos, the shorts, and the live streams. YouTube only notify you of 3 events a day. So just my live streams is enough to not show anything else. So you won't be notified about shorts, videos, and all the rest of it once I've gone over the 3. And you could miss, and you do miss very often, very, very important breaking news stories. Now, I subscribe and pay for many, many services to find out the very latest information, what's going on the inside before I can report on it on a general live show. I like to get out a quick video and get it out as quick as possible. And I'm getting these notifications all the time of breaking, emerging news of stocks and very important external macro conditions which can shape the market. Now, I want to show you how you get this information, because many of you are missing it in all, because obviously YouTube aren't going to notify you of every single video I put out. Can you imagine? Just like Sky News or CNBC or any of the news channels, if they were posting every single video, you'd be inundated and it would be pretty crazy and it wouldn't work. So this is what you do if you want to make sure. Just take a quick look every morning and you can be kept up to date and you won't miss anything. This is the homepage of my channel right here. And on the homepage, you can see when we're live at the top there. There'll be a ring round here for you, not for me because it's my channel, but for you, there'll be a ring round here. There'll be the word live on the screen, upcoming live streams, members only live streams as well. We do have members only videos as well. We've got a members only live stream today. But right at the top, there's a button called, a tab called videos. If you click videos, you can search by popular, oldest, or latest. If you've got it select to latest, you will see the videos that I've just put out. And if you've got a red line underneath it, that means you've watched it. And I've watched that one all the way through. All right. If you haven't got a red line, it means you haven't watched it. All right. Or a part red line means you've part watched it and you can pick it up later. But there's lots of videos here. You can see that I haven't seen. I've seen like 1, 2, 3 of these top 12 videos. That's all, and a tiny little bit of the Mobix one, a few seconds, as you can see. So very, very important to go and check the tab videos, select to latest. You might want to go to most popular, and you can see the most popular. That was the most popular video, not the most popular live stream, the most popular video 20 times, and you can see. But every morning or midday or at the end of the day, just go and check in a couple of times a day and see what you've missed, because you've probably missed some breaking news. And you don't want to miss that, right? Because we are a news channel, and many people said to me, you get a lot more views if you did a couple of videos, like Graham Stepan, who makes 3 videos a week and has millions of views. I don't care. I'm not here for the views. I'm here to go live, to talk to a live audience and provide news as it happens, not wait all week just so I can get 1 million views and earn lots of money. That's not why this channel exists. We are a live news channel. We're not trying to become the biggest. We're trying to become the best. And if we become the biggest by being the best, great. But it's all about going live and bringing you as much news as possible, not sitting down, waiting in between, sat on the beach and producing 3 videos a week just so I can have my own private jet. That's not what this is about. It's about providing you news that helps you make informed decisions. Also, I'll give you this little thing here. This will help you as well. When you subscribe to the channel, and when you click subscribe, when you can check now, if you've not rung the bell, look, you can set it to all, or you can set it to personalize so you can get it set. But again, it won't tell you about everything. All right. It only does so much. But, YouTube are not going to send you out 1 million notifications a day, only 3. Now, someone might say there's more. There are ways to get more if you click on each video and say notify me and stuff like that, or you've already clicked like to it. But if you're on general terms, you'll only get 3, so you'll miss all these videos. Anyway, it's a big day. There's a lot going on, so I'm going to get back to my live broadcasting. Please go and check that out. You are missing important announcements, important videos. And one final thing, just to make it easier, even easier for you, if you go onto the homepage and you think, I can't do all this news, I can't do all these all these videos, scroll to the bottom, see the shorts, and you will see a 15-second version of many of the videos. Can you see here? The shorts playlist. You click on the shorts playlist, then you can actually have a scaled down version of the videos, which then link to the main video. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, Bitcoin or Nvidia or SoundHound, you can just click 15 seconds and go, oh, okay, he's talking about that. And that's how I can learn about that. All right, makes sense? All right, there you go. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I'll post more videos that will be of help to you. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, you missed it. Let me write that down. Good morning, all. Texas, today's Starship launch. Wow, S&P 500. Good morning. Cheers, Martin. Hi, Mark. Mike, how are you? Stock market will continue to go down. Looks like geopolitical negative news. Nvidia. Right, okay, let's talk about this. The world needs to hold our breath for 61 more days. Why 61? Oh, I see. You're talking about Trump getting in power, I'm assuming. Can you interview the CEO of the S&P? That would be great. That would be great. That would be great. I like that idea. Like that idea a lot. Okay. Okay. So let me bring this to you now then. Okay. 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 What time is it? This is obviously important. 28. nuclear attack, Putin, World War III, stock market crash, all happening at once this morning. Look at this. Let me just scroll forward. There you go. Look at the markets go down. We've got some major volatility this morning. I'm down 1.76. Not literally. Well, yes, literally, but not literally. It's because I'm in margin. So when I'm up a lot. When I'm down a lot. I exaggerate. It doubles my position, my moves. What this does is sends my portfolio down, and I'm looking to buy more at certain levels, but not yet. It's not there. Let's talk about this. We have some volatility because the missiles have now been fired into Russia. Markets don't like uncertainty. They use it to dump the market, to buy it back. It's more than an excuse from Wall Street, to be fair. Because is Apple doing worse today? Is Microsoft doing worse today? Is Nvidia doing worse today? No, they're not. And most of those companies are not affected by this anyway. However, because there is uncertainty in the world right now, and of course there is, the markets have used that opportunity to sell off, to buy back. What do? What do I do? Absolutely nothing. I do not sell, but what I do is buy. I do buy more when it goes down. So have patience. Wait, this is not a big enough drop yet. Let's talk about it. What's happened? As expected, Ukraine have now fired into Russia with long-range missiles. But also, in the last couple of hours, what we've had is Russia have said that Putin is now written into law. If a country supported by a nuclear power fires long-range missiles into our country, we will be considering using nuclear power to fire back. Now, if you think this couldn't happen ever, remember Hiroshima. It did happen to end the Second World War. It was decided between the United States and Sir Winston Churchill to drop a bomb on Japan. It does happen. I don't believe, and I've said before, there's not going to be World War III. But Russia could decide to drop a bomb on Ukraine. No idea what that would gain. The idea is they wanted to invade, they wanted to, occupy, take over Ukraine by bombing it and making it inhabitable. What the hell's the point? I don't get it. It just escalates the war. It makes no sense. But does war ever make sense? Well, you decide that one. But let's have a look at what's just happened. Ukraine war latest. Ukraine launches 6 US. There's the one. US long-range missiles at Russia, Moscow says. No doubt about it, really. We can trust Russia on this one, I guess, because that's what we agreed for them to do. Ukrainian troops have launched an attack against a Russian border region with 6 US long-range missiles. Now, let's be absolutely clear. These are not intercontinental missiles. They can't, I don't believe they can fire on Moscow. They would have to be inside Russia to fire on Moscow. Of course, they were inside Russia. I don't know if they're still there, but they were recently, of course. But we're talking, I think it's something like 150 miles. So we're talking still relatively just over the border, but nevertheless, Moscow has said it comes after Vladimir Putin approved an updated doctrine lowering the threshold for the use of nuclear weapons. Okay, let's scroll down. Moscow says Ukraine has hit Russia with long-range missiles. Let's look at this. This post here is important. Putin signs off on a new nuclear doctrine after US missile move. Vladimir Putin has approved an updated nuclear doctrine saying that Russia could consider nuclear weapons if it is subject to a conventional missile assault on it supported by a nuclear power. Well, that's exactly what has happened this morning. Markets are down, instability, for me, opportunity. Honestly, at the end of the day, our businesses within our stock market are doing well. They haven't stopped selling or doing anything. Inflation's coming down. Everything's okay. other than this macro condition. So there's no reason why stocks would be massively down today other than Wall Street are selling to get out because they know everybody else will sell. That's all it is. It's preempting what people do. I know using the word opportunity isn't a wonderful thing when we're talking about wars and nuclear and all the rest of it. However, as investors, this is what you do. When the markets go down, you have two choices: fearful, sell out and get out, or you buy when it goes down. If you've got loads of money and you're Wall Street and you're a multi-millionaire, multi-billionaire, sell because you've bought at the bottom, you've made your money, you're at the top, sell. Why not? However, for those who want to be the future of millionaires and billionaires, and I'd like to be a millionaire by the end of the decade, to do so, you've got to buy these dips. That's how it works. So this is your opportunity. I wouldn't be buying rubbish. I wouldn't be buying the macro. I wouldn't be buying the Russell, but I would be buying stocks. I would be buying the S&P. I've just got to wait for a big enough dip for it to make sense using margin. You can't just keep buying and buying and buying. This could drop a lot further, as I said it would as we went into the NVIDIA earnings. Anyway, the decision to change Russia's official nuclear doctrine has been in process for months, but Putin signing it this week appears to be a response to the Biden administration allowing Ukraine to fire American long-range missiles into Russia. We won't talk any more about that. I want to end this and get back to the stocks. Let's bring this back up again. I've got to adjust that so I can not have to keep leaning forward. The stock market has gone down this morning. How low is it going to go? Well, let's just have a little look. The S&P, if we actually sort of stand back, and it's very important to stand back, take pause, not to be a Putin and sort of react all the time. You want to be proactive, not reactive. If you look at it, look, we're down 2.42. Now, this is just the S&P, not my margin position. 2.42 in a week. That's quite a bit. That's getting very close to the carry trade, which after the carry trade, remember how the market's boosted. So it's quite a significant drop, but let's go back a bit further. We're still up over the month. Now, if we can go lower than the month, back to the carry trade situation, back to down maybe here, around the 524, another sort of $12, then I would buy some more with margin because I've been trimming it off a little bit. Now I can buy some more. Okay, but if you are using margin, if you're not using margin and you've got cash, this is a great time to start buying in. If you're using margin, you've got to give extra room for it because, of course, margin costs you money and margin will amplify the gains. And if you buy too much and then it goes down, eventually you can get margin called, of course. It's not very likely on the S&P that it'll keep resetting and giving you more room, and it won't want to close out the S&P on a margin. So don't worry about it too much, but just bear that in mind. It is a concern. Over 3 months, though, look, we're up 5%. So as you can see, we're not there yet. We're getting close, but we're not there yet. Got to hold back a bit more, and that could come just before the NVIDIA earnings as well. This is all happening at the same time. Bit of a trifactor, if you like. So for me, I'm just waiting and holding and watching. And if I get a big enough drop, I will jump in. My Coca-Cola, look, you see my defensives are doing a good job now. They've kind of bottomed out. Now this gives me more encouragement to buy Coca-Cola because you can see this is defensive. And I said even defensives are under attack at the moment as Coca-Cola has been going down, but it's starting to consolidate now around this $61. So this is good. This gives me extra confidence, but I'm still not buying because I've only got so much money. I've not got unlimited funds. And the idea is on the 1st of January, I want to transfer $8,000 on margin to my Roth IRA, get a 3% back match. So that brings the cost down from 5% on margin interest down to 2 because effectively I pay that off in a year, less than a year, so it'll virtually be free anyway. And then I want to buy Coca-Cola. If I buy the S&P on a dip today and use more of my margin, then I'm limited to buy any more if it drops lower, and I'm certainly limited to buy any more in January for Coca-Cola. And I still think we could have a little bit of a further drop and maybe a period of consolidation. Whether it will take me to 1st of January, I don't know. I've got another sort of 6 weeks to go, 5.5. So let's see if I can get there. If not, let it go. Doesn't matter. Anyway, be careful today if you are buying the dip. It's great if you've got cash, of course. You're going back a few weeks, getting a discount on a few weeks, which is good because the earnings are good. This is a reaction to what's going on. But if you are using margin, then you need to wait for it to go a bit lower, particularly if you're already like me, already in, fully in. You need bigger dips where it can lower your averages, not increase them. But at the end of the day, you've got to make your own choice. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll put more videos that will be of interest. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Okay. Let's have a look. I seriously hope Putin is as smart as Trump describes him, and just be patient. 200-mile range. Oh, there you go. They can they can hit Moscow. Okay. That must be from inside of Russia then, because the border of Russia, of Moscow, is it? Hang on. Let me have a look. How far from the border of Ukraine? There you go. Yeah. No, they can't hit. They can't hit Ukraine. They can't hit Moscow. It's 490 kilometers. 490. The Russian route, Ukraine is a major trunk that runs across from Moscow to Russia's border with Ukraine. Okay, how far is that? $523 miles. Oh, that's the driving route. We don't want. Oh, the straight line. Straight line. Moscow to Ukraine, the border. 523 miles. 800 kilometers. A driving route is 615, yeah. So it's actually 523 miles. So no, they can't hit Moscow. And I think that was always understood that they wouldn't be able to do that. All right, so I'm going to share that now because that's important. We've got some memberships here just coming in. We've got some memberships. Let me just celebrate these memberships. You've been given memberships here. This is absolutely wonderful. By Lawrence Teo from Singapore. The people that have won a membership will be able to see today's special live event. Look at that. We've got, let me bring them in. Let's have a little look. We've got a few memberships being gifted here. Let's have a little look. So we've got some new members. Let's have a look. We have got, there we go. Indeed Need Money is a new member. Chan Heng. This is 5 memberships. Would you please thank Lawrence Teo, who's used his hard-earned money to give you memberships this morning. Jabroni has won a membership as well. XR has been given a membership. Sam was gifted a membership. This was all bought for you by Lawrence Teo. Please do thank Lawrence Teo. Very, very kind of him to do that for you this morning on a special day when there's a members exclusive event as well. So that's really, really great. So there you go. If you can, please do say thank you to Lawrence Tio. Awesome stuff. Thank you very much indeed for that. Right. Okay. Look at this. I want to do this. Whoops. Right. Let me just hang on a minute. I'm just double checking these facts. Whoops. Oh, hang on. No. That's not right. That's Ukraine. I'm trying to determine whether they can strike Ukraine, whether they can strike the so Moscow to Russia-Ukraine border. There you go. It's 830 kilometers. I'm just checking this. I want to be absolutely clear. Yes. There you go. 830 kilometers. Right. There you go. Let's bring that up there because people are asking, can they do it? And they can't. There you go. Okay. The border, yeah, I'm looking at that now. 830. Depends where exactly you go. Robinhood News in Discord. Thank you, Fight Channel. Good morning, Martin and members. This is why cash is king for days like this. No, I don't agree. Still don't agree with you. Cash is king. I'm already invested with my cash. My cash is still up 30%. If it had been sat around, it would have lost all these gains. We've got a dip for today, but yes, I'd already have lost 30%. If I'd sitting around with cash and bought today, I would actually have lost money. So no, I don't agree with you, Tim, actually. I don't agree with you. You should already be in because we are, even though we've got a macro condition today, which has driven the market down, it's still up 30% from where we would have put our cash in when we talked about it. So, you don't, holding cash forever for every event, and as we go, the events just keep getting higher and higher and higher, and you keep missing and missing and missing. I believe the best time to invest is now or 20 years ago, not sit around and wait ever. Never sit and wait and do nothing. I don't agree. Margin can be handcuffed if not disciplined. Correct, it can be, but we're talking about disciplined approach. Cash allows one to buy on dips without paying interest to borrow money. It doesn't matter, does it? I've made a week ago, I was at 40% up, and it's cost me so 40% up. 20% of that was margin, would be margin gains because 50% of my money, and it's cost me 5.4% or whatever it is. So I'm up by 15%. Even if we dip, it makes no difference. I don't agree. sitting around with cash, waiting and always waiting and always sat on the sidelines, I don't think actually works. And we've proved that over time. So, Tim, with respect, we'll disagree on that one. I was just going by the news saying they could now hit Moscow. Right, let's talk about this then very quickly. Let's have a look. Hit just a very quick one. Right. False news, fake news. Bloody hell. That's rubbish. Do that again. I'm getting a bit woolly recently. I don't normally make mistakes, but the last week or so, I've done a few little mistakes. 48 minutes. Okay. Fake news, false news, misinformation. Can Ukraine hit Moscow with long-range missiles? People are saying all sorts of things online. Yes, they can. World War III is going to happen because they can hit Moscow and they can take out Putin sat while he's having a cup of tea. No, they can't. And here is the evidence. I've just been researching and looking at the map. From the border of Ukraine, if you walked in a straight line, as straight as we can get it, all right? I mean, okay, I guess you're not going to walk with your rocket, right? But the point is, I can't do a missile line, but I can do walking in a straight line, okay? It is exactly 830 kilometers. Now, they're 830 kilometers from the border of Ukraine to Moscow. So if you've been paying attention to all our news about the missiles, the long-range missiles, these aren't intercontinental missiles. They can't reach Moscow. From where I'm looking, for what I'm seeing, they can't reach Moscow. 830 kilometers is way more than they've got capabilities for. However, I just want to make a point. Ukraine have been coming inside of Russia. Now, that would be a different ball game. We know recently they were up in this region here. They were into Russia somewhat. Now, of course, if they hold those areas and launch from there, then yes, they probably can. But at the end of the day, I don't see it happening. I think that would be pretty crazy. I think what they'll do is they will use their missiles as provided by the United States and others. I believe the UK are involved as well. We stand side by side with the US. I think responsibly they should be using those missiles to take out Russia's launching sites from where they're firing to them. So if they're receiving attacks from Russia, take out those missile sites would be fair. I mean, it seems fair to me. If you're firing on me, we're going to make sure that you can't do that. But to go straight to the capital and take out Putin while he sits in his office would probably be a bit extreme, even though some people might think that would be a great idea. Most people probably would. Probably I would as well. But anyway, let's not talk about that. So there you go. Now, I know that wasn't a perfect, accurate thing. Someone just mentioned to me, use the ruler, the ruler tool or whatever it is. I don't know how. I just wanted to bring the general news. As we can see, the distance is outside of the limits of the long-range missiles being fired inside Ukraine. If they go into Russia, that's different. But I know it's not perfect. I used the walking just to give you a general idea. And I'm sure there's a much better way of doing it. But at least I've done it, and it's pretty accurate. I think you'll agree. Anyway, there you go. What do you think? I got some news just out about the war and why I think World War III is not going to happen. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll put more information that would be of use. Thank you very much indeed. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. I don't know how to do a flipping ruler. How do you do it? I don't know. Do I need to learn that now? Not really. I wasn't planning on taking a trip across there anyway. I'm just going by the news. Good morning. Please smash. Yeah, you were going by the news. People telling you all sorts of things. Yes. What do you think of the new Robinhood charting thingy? I didn't read it clearly. I don't like it at the moment for me because Robinhood are trying to go all about day trading, but yet they don't do lot selling. It seems pointless. And I'm really angry that Robinhood are focusing on new things when they haven't done the things they've already promised, like the gold card. I got 10 people to sign up. I should be able to have a gold card by now, and I'm still on the wait list. Have been now for about 6 months, and I don't just want to apply for the gold card. I actually sent them 10 customers who they're not even acknowledged. And now we're moving on to other things. No, focus on what we've already got. The border is, there you go. The attacks, missiles, range is only 190. Exactly. 300 HIMARS will not be deployed right at the edge of the border, which is 500 kilometers to Moscow. You bring up a good point, and the placement of the launch system. Yes. Fun but dangerous. 300 kilometers is generally max, unlikely a secret range based on my military experience. The media, we're about to ring the bell. I'm aware of it. Who would buy Berkshire when it's 30% cash and basically just Apple? I don't understand. Maybe you could clarify, Martin. Run. I have to focus on the members right now, Run, but there's a good reason why you don't Berkshire Hathaway, but I need to focus on the members right now with 30 seconds before the bell. I was an overhead crane driver in the steelworks for 30 years. I am in the market. Cash allows flexibility. I will 20% cash. I'd never do that. I don't agree. Agree with Sundays. Andrew Michael, wow, that man's cool. Good one. I finished now 30 days, 30 years. We got a few seconds to go before the bell goes. Let's get ready to rumble. I think that
there's a level you want to buy this.
I know there's some static on the line. I don't know how to get rid of it at the moment, so I'm trying to avoid it. Okay, let's have a little look. The bell is about to go any second now. Here we go.
Very tough business right now, and I didn't think that
the bell has gone.
Hope that we can get out of this.
The markets are moving, and we're getting ready to rumble. Here we go. The bell's going. Let's see what moves today. Sorry about the static on the line. I'm trying to talk over it, explain it as much as I can. The markets are red as expected today. Let's ring the bell. I will try and fix that. I don't know why it's doing it. Anyway, let's go for all our positions and see what's moving today. The S&P is down. Not enough to buy more, though. S&P Global up today. Scott's gone back down again. Virgin Galactic 244. They have competition now. Have you seen it? Palantir is down 2.46. Gold up. Amazon going down today. Apple down, but now coming straight back up again. Next Era Energy just down slightly. Enphase Energy down 1.49. Coca-Cola going down now. Defensives. There we go. Don't rush into it. Have patience. January the 1st is my magic day. Johnson & Johnson going down. Chevron going down. Tesla is down today. Rivian is also going down quickly now. McDonald's, that's holding. Cut out. RFK wants Donald Trump to cut out McDonald's. The stuff he eats is really bad. It's really bad. Brilliant. Google is down today, moving up slowly. Microsoft selling off Nvidia. That's up today, 141 again, going into the earnings. Walmart is up. Tilray is down today. Net barcoding again. Robinhood just flat at the moment. IonQ up, too expensive. It did dip yesterday. Now it's back up again. It's very, very volatile. Rocket Lab down 2%. Plug Power down 3.5% today. Rumble down 1.53%. Funware down 5%. Bitcoin is down today. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Yes, it's down. I beg your pardon. It is down 0.5. It's 91,500 now. Will people move into crypto? XRP, that went up. It's just trimmed off a bit, but it was up nearly like 120. It's now down to $1.08 again. There you go. Mobix Labs, as we talked about, we've got a special event today. It popped today on this special event, up 13%, still up 9 point, nearly 10% today. Fantastic, really, really great. We said that would happen because of our event today. All right, there is the update of what's going on this morning. Let's make sure we've got everybody in. Subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you very much indeed. And tap the like button. Tap the like button. That would be absolutely great. Welcome to that. Welcome to you. Indeed, Wadey, I'm expecting a bit of a red day. Whoop whoop, get that song. Sundays are better. Sorry for the bird joke, Wadey. War isn't a joke. About for sure. Lost lives are not necessary. Lost lives are not necessary. I agree. Good evening, Martin from Singapore. Yeah, World War III fears are rather illogical and perhaps overblown. I agree with you. Don't like all the talk about missiles. Too many people will suffer. Well, indeed. From the sunny region, from the border of the center of Moscow is from the Sumy region, from the border to the center of Moscow is 460 kilometers, said Olu. Well, that's not the measurements I got, but I'm not a map expert. It's the best holding stock on the planet, and it also includes S&P 500 index in its holdings. Yes, it does. Berkshire is more than just Apple. Yes, it is. I just haven't got time to answer his question at the moment. We can look at the allocation if we get time, but no, it's not just Apple, of course. Not just Coca-Cola either. Right, okay. Now then, what is the time? We've not got long to go. We're focusing on Mobix today. It's a big event coming up in very shortly now. So it's a big day for them, big day for us, big day for everybody. All right, so I'm going to end this stream in a moment as I prepare for the earnings. We're not going to be here for much longer. So I just want to do a couple more things. Let's do this. NVIDIA. NVDA. NVIDIA. Okay, let me see if that's good. Just getting ready now for our live special guest event. Let's bring that there. Robinhood, NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Just launched Robinhood Legend. Not really a great fan of it because it doesn't do day trading. You can't do lot selling. It's a bit, yeah, I'm not really a fan of it. It's not for me. I got to be honest. Yeah, I don't need that. Okay, let's get this ready, and then we're going to wrap up today's show. There's not much to talk about at the moment. Well, there is. We've already covered it. Okay. What I want is this. Right. Right, here we go. NVIDIA and NVDA and earnings. Okay. Bring it up here. NVIDIA there. Right. Okay. Here we go. So that. NVIDIA earnings will be This is getting worse. I've got to focus. Let me have a sip of tea. That'll fix me. You watch. Be perfect now. NVIDIA earnings live on our show. We're expecting a 40,000 viewed show. This is the live event. Click on it and it will give you your time zone. During the event, we're going to cover all the latest news, including we're going to look at the balance sheet, the profit, the loss, who's buying, who's selling, all the news around the stock. We're also going to take a look at the charts. There'll be an extensive report from Sensei as well, providing you the buy zones, the sell zones, all the different levels. Do join us for the NVIDIA earnings. It's going to be a big one. Now, the markets are red today with the macro conditions with Russia and what's going on with all of that, but NVIDIA is still holding up above the magic 140. That was the number that we wanted to hold, and we are. So expect a very, very volatile evening. Join us live. Here is the event. Click on it now. You can leave comments. We've got live phone-ins as well. If you want to phone in and be part of the show, first come, first serve. If you want to phone in, we can have 10 people on the show at once. This is our live party. There are 10 sections here. 10 of you investors can phone in and be part of the show. Have your say. Discuss it. We're trying to bring you the best, most live, most real, most informative, most interactive earnings we've ever done here live on the show, with all the information, all the charts, live phone-ins, answer everyone's questions. Where else do you want to be? And I'd like to say thanks to all of you that we will have officially the highest viewership of the NVIDIA earnings in the world when you compare subscribers ratio to viewers. In other words, the ratio between subscribers and viewers. Obviously, if you've got 100 million subscribers, you're more likely to get more views, but the percentage between subscribers and views, we expect to have the highest in the world. I'm trying to provide the best service, to give you the best information, live, informative, live phone-ins, debate, answer your questions, provide charts, and remember, all of it is completely impartial and unbiased, as I only own the S&P 500. My aim is to provide the best news and most live news in the world. I make about 30 videos a day. Some people said make less, like Graham Stepan, make 3 videos a week and you'll get a lot more views. Yes, I would, and it would make me more money. However, I'm about going live all day, every day, talking directly to you live. I want to be live. I want to be real. It's not about me making money. It's about me bringing you the news as it happens. So yes, I sacrifice views, and yes, I sacrifice making money, but that is not why I started this. Please do join me. I hope you will choose to watch it with me. I'm very excited about it. And just full disclosure, just so everyone knows, and it's always good to know, I think, because we share everything here on the channel, if I get 40,000 people watch the live stream, not all at once, but over the period, I will make, honestly, I'll tell you, Scouts honor, is that I used to be in the Scouts, there you go, I will make about $300 in ad revenue if I get 40,000 people to watch through the whole stream, through the stream at some point, not all at one time, but ultimately 40,000. Last time was $260. Just to let you know, that's how much I actually made to do it. So I don't get rich making these live videos, but I do like to provide the best service for all of you. Hopefully you'll join me, support me. You never know, we might get more than 40,000. That would be fantastic, as we only have 38,000 subscribers. That would be great. The highest percentage ratio in the world. And that's why I do this. And let's have some fun. Let's make some money. At least you can. And let's have a wonderful earnings together. Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description, I shall post the event NVIDIA earnings here, and anything else I think would suit you down here. NVIDIA earnings. This is the place to watch it. Join us. Okay. Let's get out of here. I'm going to get ready now for the Mobix special event. MOBX. Mobix. Okay. That's all set. There's that. There's the event, Mobix, and let's have a look. MOBX. Mobix. Okay, there's today's screen. Okay, let's wrap this up. Let me read all the comments. Good evening from Singapore. I'm expecting a bit of a red day. We covered that one. Robinhood, the biggest return of my investment track record. Sell all the trigger at 35, 90% profit. Congratulations. Honestly believe Putin wants an out-and-out war. It seems strange that the US has held off letting them strike Russia with weapons until recently. And we all know what happened recently. I must admit that is very, very, interesting, isn't it? Good morning, folks. What about SMCI? SMCI, super microcomputer. Do you want me to cover that before I go? Where do we see the Mobex in the near future? Price, I'm not going to comment on that today, especially today. Who care about Mobex? This stock is rubbish and need to delist it because it's under $1. Andrew, good one. I never had that style. Large one, East. Let's have a look. Buy it. It gets to $1. I'm going to sell it all. SMCI up 20% this morning. SMCI extensive. Yeah, I've already covered that. The SMCI's vertical integration. I have some news on Mobix as well. I have some news, mixed feelings about it now. Daniel, crazy pump on SMCI. That's because of the new legal team. Brandon Jensen, okay. Let's. I'll do that then. Shall I? Nvidia and then SMCI. Okay. SMCI. Okay. SMCI super microcomputer. Yeah, it's faded away again. We did have a pump this morning, but it's faded away a bit. Let's have a look. SMCI. I've got the information. I was reading it this morning. SMCI super microcomputer. I want that as well. Duplicate. Just out. Okay. I like this. Okay, super micro, Nvidia. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Nvidia, super microcomputer. Nvidia, super microcomputer. What's going on here? What's the correlation? What's the connection? Ticker symbol SMCI, super microcomputer. Ticker symbol NVDA, NVIDIA. Well, of course, we know we've got the NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. Join us for that. But this is some news related to NVIDIA and super microcomputer. Let's get straight into it. Let's share this with you. Tap the like button if you approve this message. If you don't want to hear my videos anymore, click the down like. That's what it does. If you click the up like, it means you might not agree with my story, but you do want to see more in the future. You want to be kept in the loop of what's going on, not be behind a closed door. However, if you click down like, what does that do? It tells the algorithm you don't want to see my content and you'll stop seeing it and I'll fall out of your algorithm. That's absolutely fine. I don't mind. Do what you want. It's your information. I'm just here to provide you the latest news 12 hours a day. Let's get straight into it. What have we got? We've got some news for both stocks, SMCI, Supermicro Computer. I'm going to share both with you. First of all, NVIDIA. We'll come on to Supermicro Computer, but NVIDIA mentions Supermicro in this as well. NVIDIA's Blackwell GPUs in full production, and this is just out a few moments ago. Brand new news, unless you are a Premium Pro customer on Seeking Alpha, you won't get this. But you can get this right now. We've got a Black Friday sale. Everyone gets a free trial using my referrals. Without the referral, you don't get free trials and discounts. Offers all over the place, but you do need a referral, and I'm giving you one in the chat right now. Take advantage of it, or look below in the video and you'll find it there as well. Take advantage of that. It's fantastic. All right. NVIDIA's Blackwell GPUs in full production and progressing smoothly, says Wells Fargo, out just a few minutes ago. NVIDIA is set to report fiscal third quarter results tomorrow. We know all about that. But the company gave an update yesterday on its Blackwell line of GPU, which appear to be progressing smoothly, Wells Fargo said. NVIDIA specifically called out Foxconn's production ramp in the US, Mexico, and Taiwan. Stand by, Supermicro Computer connection coming up in a moment. To stand up capacity as quickly as possible, analyst Aaron Rakers wrote in a note to clients, adding that Foxconn said that last week it expects to take a 40% share in NVIDIA's GB200 NVL rack scale solutions. NVIDIA's presentation, in which Chief Executive Jensen Huang and Executive Ian Buck spoke, also highlighted both Dell and Supermicro Computers, SMCI, are involved in the first phase deployment of xAI's 100,000 GPU cluster deployment using NVIDIA's Spectrum X Ethernet switching. The company also made several other announcements, including emphasizing its full stack optimization, the importance of its ARM-based 72-core Grace CPU in terms of power efficiency. Its next-gen Rubin offerings are set to debut in 2026, and its competitive advantage with Spectrum X compared to traditional Ethernet. I'm going to leave that right there and jump straight over to Supermicro Computer. You may have noticed that the stock has pumped up today. Who has not noticed what's been going on? There's a lot going on right now, and our favorite robot is coming down the road because we're about to get some synergy here between Supermicro Computer. Do you like that? I thought that was quite good. Some synergy between Supermicro Computer and NVIDIA. They're up to date on this announcement, and also this news doesn't go down too bad either. NVIDIA doing well, Supermicro doing well on the day that we get alerts from Russia and all the rest of it with Ukraine. The markets are down, but these stocks are doing well. Supermicro Computer announces appointment of independent auditor, filing of compliance plan with NASDAQ. Now then, let's scroll down and see what they say. This is just out as well. Supermicro SMCI stock surged over 17% in extended trading on Monday after the company said it has engaged an independent auditor and submitted a compliance plan to NASDAQ. Please subscribe to me. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers within 12 months. That's our target. We are now 11 months away from doing it. It'd be wonderful to see a silver plaque behind me on the screen just there behind me. The company said it has engaged accounting firm BDO USA and as its auditor, effective immediately. This comes after the artificial intelligence server company on Wednesday said in a filing with the U.S. Securities Commission that it needs more time to file its latest quarterly earnings report. Supermicro on Monday added that in its compliance plan to NASDAQ, the company indicated that it believes it will be able to complete its annual report on Form 10K for the year ended June 30th, 24, and its quarterly report of 10Q for the fiscal quarter ended September 30th, 2024. Okay, if the company is delisted, it would be the second time it was delisted in August 2018 for a delay in filing reports on its finances. It regained its listing in January 2020. So that's interesting. It took 2 years to get there. But anyway, Nevertheless, this is seen as good news. SMCI is up today. Great. And so is NVIDIA. There it is. Join us for the biggest event of the year. We're expecting 40,000 on the earnings to join us, which will make us the highest viewership in relationship to subscribers, the highest ratio. I'm very excited about that because we want to provide you with the best, most live, most real, and most inclusive. And you can call in, you can be on the show, more information, and so on for the earnings. Please do join us. I'd love if everyone could subscribe to us. We're trying to get to 100,000. I say we, it's only me, but it would be a lifelong dream to have a YouTube plaque behind me on the wall, just up there with 100,000. It would be amazing. So please help me get there. I think we are 11 months away. All right, let's go. NVIDIA earnings. Click above my head, down below in the description. NVIDIA, SMCI. I shall put the NVIDIA earnings there and the SMCI playlist there. As we get more information, I will bring it to you as it happens. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, we're going to rock and roll now out of here because it's time to get set for the special event. We've got a live guest on our show from Mobix CEO coming up very, very shortly. All right. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm now going to send everyone to the extra channel so you can see me prepare with the CEO of Mobix. You can see what goes on behind the scenes, what happens before the event starts. I'll be editing these videos first, and then you will see me get set up and so on and so forth. You will see the CEO on the screen. You'll see what's going on before the general public, before it goes members only, the pre-setups and all the rest of it. If that interests you, as it should, to know what's going on before it happens, this is a really powerful tool. I think you will want to join me. So let me redirect you now to the extra channel. Now, if you've ever been there before, you will know that it's viewable by everyone. It's listenable by everyone. But if you want to talk in the chat, it's members only. We do that because we don't want bots, trolls, scammers being part of the 12-hour stream. It's where only real investors are communicating every day with each other. So we don't want any of that in the chat. There is a link in the chat. You can click on that. It will take you directly to this. It's behind the scenes. The camera is behind me. You can see behind me what's going on and so on. And members talk in here. They share conversations with each other. These are real investors. No one selling anything. No one promoting some scammy crypto coin or anything like that. Talking about what's happening with the earnings, alerting me to information so I can come back live. That's the purpose of being members. It's only 99 cents to be a member. If you don't want to, though, if 99 cents is too much for you, you don't want to invest that, that's fine. Understand that. You can listen in. You can see what's being said. You just won't be able to comment because it is members only, because we want the best service for our real investors, not those trying to just promote themselves or sell rubbish. Okay. That's it from me. I'm going to end the show. No day trader of the day. I want to get straight onto this, and I will see you back very shortly with our live members only event. Look out for it. It's on the homepage of the channel. Just scroll down and you'll see it there. But that's it from me. I'm going to send you now over to the extra channel. When is the interview? I've been asked, when is the interview? It's on the homepage of the channel. I'll show you again if you've not seen it. Here it is. Go to the homepage of the channel. Everything I ever do is always posted on the channel, always. There we are live right now. Scroll down, upcoming live streams. There's NVIDIA. Scroll down, upcoming members only live stream. There it is. There's the event in your time zone, in your time. Click on it and it will tell you exactly when it starts. There it is. All the information is always there, always on the homepage, always on my X, always on my Blue Sky, always on my Instagram, always on my threads. It's everywhere. Okay. All right. Brilliant. That's it from me. I'm off. I'll see you back in a bit. Click above my head for all. What am I saying? It's not a video. Don't click above my head. There's no links. All right. That's it. I'll see you back in a bit. Thank you very much indeed. Join me now on the extra channel so you can see what's going on with the CEO as I set it up. But between now and then, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Mobix. Okay. I'll just wait for everyone to pop in here, and I'll say hello to everybody. Let me bring that there. Let me bring Mobix up on the screen. MOBX. Mobix there. Okay. Mobix will put on the screen as well, so you can see it's coming up. It's a members only live stream, so you'll see it come up in a second. Scroll down, upcoming members only live stream. There it is. Okay, that's now on the screen. That's ready to go. Let me bring up there. Hi all. Hi all. Let's load that there. So you've all got that. Okay. Next thing to get ready is we'll leave all of that there. Right. We're set there. Right. So you're now with me behind the scenes for Mobix Labs. I'm going to turn that light out. I don't need that on me at the moment. All that. And I will bring the lights up as well, as we are preparing to go live. I'm not going to play any music at the moment because I'm going to keep in touch with you as I do these videos. So you can stay with me there. That's all good around the studio. Now let me get to work on these videos I've just done. Let me open up these videos. Gonna put okay. Start by putting these videos up first. I'll let you know when they're done. I will be taking the call very soon from the CEO as well, but I'm just preparing these videos first. I could put music on, but I'm just going to be working, so I'm just going to do this, and you are just listening into what's going on before the main event starts. Right. Scale to frame size. Multi-band compressor. Got 20 minutes in. How to get your breaking news. You might always notice that the audio sounds that bit better when it's gone out, when it's been produced afterwards, after when it's live. You notice I do that as well. So let's start off. First. Right. World exclusive today, live on the show, star guest, CEO Fabio Battaglia of Mobix Labs will be joining me live on the show, unedited. What? I messed it up, didn't I? Hopefully I get it right the second time. World exclusive here today on Martyn Lucas Investor. I've got the CEO of Mobix live on the show. Fabrizio Battaglia will be live on our show today, Mobix, and as he will confirm with you, connection as well. Financials, we'll talk what I possibly be talking about. Well, your event, it'll tell you in your times, got a big event tomorrow, the biggest event. Take care of yourselves and each other. Out. Each other. Mobix, Elon Musk. There's a connection there. You'll be learning about that shortly. Mobix, Elon Musk. Send to there. The next one was the news. 20 minutes. News. How to get your breaking news minute by minute, the most important news on your favorite stocks, from Nvidia to Tesla to day. We've got because I regard myself over 30 videos a day. If you include the videos, the short. Click above my head for all the links. More videos that will be of help to you. Till next time, and each other. Each other. You missed the news. Right, send that. World War III crash at 28. Important. Nuclear attack, Putin, World War III, stock market crash, all happening at once this morning. Look at this. Let me just scroll forward. There you go. Look at the markets go down. We've got some major. I'm up a lot. When I'm down, it back. It's when it goes down. So I have the US missile move, sort of stand back, and it's very. If I buy the S&P and each other. Okay. Each other. Market crash. Hit Moscow. 48. Board it. Yeah, I'm looking at that now. Around, I would have today, which has driven. Just going by the news saying they. False news, fake news. Fake news, false news, misinformation. Can Ukraine hit Moscow? Anyway, there you go. What do you think? I got over here. I'll put more information that will be of use. Thank you very much indeed. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Out. Dip to black. And each other. Nvidia and I actually sent them 10 customers who they're not in. Just launched Robinhood Legend. be prepared. This is getting worse. I've got to focus. You watch. Be perfect now. NVIDIA earnings live on our show. We're expecting in the description. I shall post it. NVIDIA earnings. This is the place to watch it. Join us. Place to watch it. Join us. And then SMCI gets to $1. I'm going to. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. NVIDIA supermicrocomputer. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. NVIDIA supermicrocomputer. NVIDIA supermicrocomputer. What's going on here? What's the correlation? What's the connection? Ticker symbol SMCI supermicrocomputer. 7 months away. All right, let's go. NVIDIA earnings as it happens. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, I've got all the videos made now. Just finished the last one. Each other. Just export this one. NVDA and SMCI. Okay, here's the last one. A few seconds to go and we'll be good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Few seconds away. And then I start uploading them. I can start now already. Okay, upload. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 seconds to go, and I'll have all 6 ready to upload. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go on, go on, go on, go on. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, upload. Good. Now I can close my renderer. I can also close Premiere Pro. Close that down. Don't save. Get rid of the file. Open up Ecamm Live again. Yeah. Move to trash. Yes, yes, yes. Open up Ecamm Live so we're ready for the interview. Okay, we're all set there. 1, 2, yep, the sound is good. Just uploading these videos and I'll be premiering. I'll give you the links for them as well as they come out. Mobix, I've got Mobix. So I've got everything I need there. Notes, took some notes earlier. Okay. So we're set there. We've got all the stuff we need. Video is uploading. The show is ready. Let's get everything on the screen. The fear indicator is dropping now into fear, just moving out of neutral, getting very close, not quite there yet. Welcome everybody in X. I'll be giving you updated information shortly. Right, I'm now loading up my next event. Mobix Labs, there it is. Pop out here. That's now loaded. All right. It's exciting. I'm just waiting for these videos to upload and I'll be publishing them. There's the event for this afternoon, this morning rather. Closed captions. Yes, yes, yes. Analytics. Yep. Members. That's just a test membership. Ignore that.
Kevin has become a member. This is a test YouTube membership.
Don't worry about that. Thanks for all the new members on Blue Sky. Got 5 now. Just started out a couple of days ago. So thank you to all of you who have been have just joined me. I like to be on both platforms so we get all the news, not just one-sided. I actually stopped following Elon Musk. I got so sick of it. It was just gotten silly. So I don't follow him anymore. It's too much of the same thing. Some people could say that about me, which is fair enough. It's probably true. Now then, we'll do a poll in a minute for Mobix. I think we need to do a poll. Right. I can start publishing these videos and then I'll start doing Mobix. Here we go. Let's open up this. So Mobix Labs exclusive. This is the first one that's coming out. I'm just designing the thumbnail at the moment. Okay. That's the first thing to do. And I'm going to put Elon Musk on this because there's a connection here. Elon Musk. There we go. Mobix Labs is moving down at the moment. Pre-show. Was up this morning, big time. Okay. Right, let's use this file. Save as Mobix. Elon, we'll call it that. So I can find it. Um, 10, 9. Right, the first one is out, so I should be able to publish the first video. If you want to jump in and see it, that would be amazing. Mobix Labs exclusive. Martyn Lucas Investor, Mobix Labs. All right. Copy C. Let's go inside. Mobix live event. Okay. All right. I'm going to publish this in a second. So get ready. It'd be great if you could all watch it and share it. It would promote it. Meet the CEO, Mobix. Promo. No. Mobix, yes. Let's turn that on. End screen. Over here, you'll find the interview itself at the event, and down here, I shall put, we've got a big event tomorrow, the biggest event of the year. We've got the NVIDIA earnings, expecting 40,000 to join us live for that. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. There you go. That's the end screen put in. If you watch to the end, you find little goodies. There is a card above my head as well, which I also put below the videos. Playlist, Mobix, link. Let's give you the link as well. I'll be publishing this in a couple of moments, so if you stand by, you can be the first to watch it, be in the premiere. I will premiere these out. I don't premiere everything out, just when it's important to get people to watch live. That's why I do that. Okay. Right, I am just about ready to premiere this out. Let's do it at 9:27, 4 minutes. 9:26 actually. 9:26. For 9:26. There you go. Set up the premiere. This will take you directly to the event itself. There you go. 9:26. Okay. This video is out. I'm going to give you the link in a second. Just bear with me. Obix live event. It's out in 2 minutes time. So if you want to join the premiere, be part of it, that'd be great. Get the buzz going. Here is the link just coming up. Stand by. There's already somebody waiting. Who was that? Someone jumped in really quick. Obix live event. There you go. Woo! It's all about moving at speed with these things. Okay. There we go. That's all pinned. All right. Now, if you want to join me for that event, that's about to go live in a second, literally 45 seconds from now. You can join me. It's a live premiere, so live chat. I'll give you the link for it now as I get on to the next one. Live now. Please join me. There you go. You've got the link for it. 4 people waiting. Awesome stuff. Right. On with the next one. You missed the news. Okay. You missed the news. Investor. Cut. All right. This isn't as important. I won't put this out straight away. You missed the news. All right. Most of you missed this. Let me go and add the YouTube thing. Got so much to do today. Layer that. Save as YouTube news. So this will go out later. This is not priority or anything like that. Channel news. Date added newest. There you go. That can go out later. Click 15 seconds and go, oh, okay, he's talking about that. And that's how I can learn about that. All right, makes sense? All right, there you go. Click above my head for all the links. About that. All right, makes sense? All right, there you go. Click above my head for all. Okay, I'm just filling all these things in. I'll be back with you in a minute. My head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I'll post more videos that'll be of help to you. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Playlist, channel news, playlist, special moments. That'll do. Okay, that will go out later. The next one is so I'm just setting up the next one. Diddle-diddle-dee. So we're just setting up the next one. The unlisted. Okay. Crash. Stock market crash we're talking about now. Do we think that's likely? Download. Save image as. Crash. Choose that. Save image. .jpg. All right. Stock market crash. Yes, I'm all in investing. Copy. All right. 3 playlists. Breaking news, isn't it? Breaking news. Right, I'll put this one out in a second. Stand by. I shall be taking a break in a moment because I'll be taking my phone call soon from our CEO. Fully in. You need bigger dips where it can lower your averages, not increase them. But at the end of the day, you got to make your own choice. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll put more videos that will be of interest. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Video, NVIDIA, Mobix. Playlist. Right. Okay, I'm about to publish this next one about the crash today. Why I'm not concerned. Okay, if you want to catch this one, this is coming out now. Nuclear attack, Putin, World War III, stock market crash, all happening at once this morning. Look at this. Let me just scroll forward. There you go. Look at the markets go down. We've got some major volatility this morning. I'm down 1.76. Not literally. Well, yes, literally, but not literally. It's because I'm in margin. So when I'm up, let's publish this now then. So let's set as a premiere. This will go live at 9:45, so 5 minutes from now. Set as a premiere. Done. Take you to the Mobix event. I think that's what I'll do. Save that. Okay. Right, so world exclusive, which is what we've got. Okay. Save that. Okay, I'm going to give you the link now to this, my thoughts on a stock market crash. Let me just, it goes live in 3 minutes. Yeah, be right out. Thanks, be awesome. Excited about that. Leah's just made me a lovely hot sandwich. Next, world exclusive. And okay, I'm going to give you the link for this. Then I'm going to go have some lunch. Late breakfast, whatever you want to call it. Okay, here is what's happening now. Live now. Okay, there it is. I'm going to take a short little break. I'm taking a call from Mobix shortly. So I should leave you. I'll put some background music on just for a minute, and I'll be back shortly. Zach said, music makes the people come together. Yes, Cameron Griffin. Hello, how are you? I thank you, Jerry and Elbert, for all your support. I feel so shaking, not having any sleep. Oh dear. But our blood pressure drops. Oh dear, we don't want that. We don't want that. Take care of Elba. Make her a nice cup of tea. That's what she needs. That's what she needs. Nice cup of tea. Can everyone tap the like button, please? We've got... oh no, everyone's liked. Don't worry. Ignore what I just said. Everyone's liked. Don't worry about it. Okay. Live event videos coming out now. Premiere now. You're already in there. Thank you. I'm going to have my sandwich. I'll see you back in a bit. They're all uploading. Don't need that. Okay. Right, I'll be back in a minute. Enjoy. See you in a bit.
This is a test YouTube membership.